And the Supreme Court has granted an additional 7 days for the lawyers of the Speaker of Parliament to file their statement of defense in the ongoing Richard Sky suit challenging the anti-LGBTQ+ bill. The defendants, including the Speaker of Parliament and the Attorney General, missed the original deadline for submitting their defenses. Channel One News' Hansen Ajiman reports.
During the proceedings, Raphael Banaman, the lawyer for the Speaker of Parliament, moved a motion for an extension, stating that the failure to submit the defense was not a sign of disrespect to the court. He urged the court to avoid penalizing his client for this oversight. Lawyers from the Attorney General's office explained that they could only submit their statement of defense after Parliament has attached the fiscal impact analysis of the bill. Meanwhile, lawyers for Richard Sky did not oppose the bill application, but emphasized that they are not responsible for the delays in resolving the case. The Apex Court ultimately granted a 7-day extension for the Speaker of Parliament to file his defense. Following the proceedings, Pakwesi Abedu, representing Richard Sky, indicated that the memorandum of issues could only be filed after the defenses have been submitted.
I sought the leave of the court to discard the notion that the plaintiffs indeed are the ones orchestrating a delay of the hearing of this matter. My reason for doing so was very, very clear. At the ordinary sitting of the Supreme Court on the 17th of July, my contention was upheld by the Supreme Court that until the defendants filed their statement of case, we, the plaintiffs, will not be in the position to distill issues for the filing of memorandum of issues. You will agree with me that this morning's application by the first defendant was to the effect that they have not filed. They require some extension of time to file, meaning that the delay is not orchestrated by us. So I don't know why anybody should put that impression out there that we are the cause of the delay.
Per this ruling, the Speaker of Parliament has been given 7 days to submit his statement of defense in the matter. From what we get from the Office of the Attorney General, their submission is dependent on Parliament presenting the fiscal impact analysis of the bill to the court. Lawyers for Richard Sky, however, are using the opportunity to reject claims that they contribute to the delay in resolving the matter. Reporting for Channel One News, Hansen Ajiman.